Hi guys, welcome on my channel Crochet with Joanna. Today I've got another short video. I would like to show you my another project which will be available for my patrons on Patreon site from 1st of June. So if you are not a patron yet and you would like to become one, under this video in the comment section you can find the link to the Patreon site directly to my account, and you can choose the tier $3 per month to get an access to all my previous projects, to my all previous tutorials. So we've got 80 posts so far about more than 20 projects, and every single month I am adding extra video tutorial. Also I am making extra video tutorials for each 50 patrons. So far I had 100, now is a little bit more. So for if I will receive 150 patrons, I will post another video tutorial as well. So this project, what you are able to see now, will be available from 1st of June. And also I would like to show you what kind of project will be available if I will receive 150 patrons. So this is the picture right now. So I hope I will see you more, guys, so far. Thank you very much to all my patrons for keeping my Patreon site busy. I am very glad that I can make tutorials for you. I hope that the number of patrons will be growing and growing, and I will be able to record more video tutorials. Because being a patron, this is not only opportunity to see extra video tutorials by buying membership, but it's also opportunity to help me with my channel, with growing my channel. So every basically patron is another opportunity to buy some more yarn, to record more and more video tutorials, and I hoping you will enjoy being my patrons for as long as you can. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you more, guys, on the Patreon site. And now I wish you have a nice day and happy crocheting.